Hello guys, I'm Victor Godfrey and you're welcome back to my channel where I provide expert tips and proven strategies to help you create, publish and generate passive income, turning your ideas into a lucrative business and profitable digital asset. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of children's books. I'll be walking you through key things you need to know about creating a best-selling children's book. When it comes to children's book, it's usually the parent, not the child, who does the searching and buying. And to create a successful book, it's crucial to understand the parent's mindset and decision-making process. Parents often start their search by thinking about what their child is interested in. Is it a dinosaur, princess, or outer space? Or perhaps they are looking for a book that teaches an important lesson like kindness, perseverance, or emotional regulation. Sometimes parents are looking for both a captivating theme combined with a meaningful takeaway. And once they identify the theme or lessons, parents begin refining their search with qualifiers. The most important factor is the book's age appropriateness. They want a book that matches their child's developmental stage and reading ability. And from there, parents may now narrow down their options further by considering specific needs or preferences. Take for instance, they might look for books tailored to boys or girls, or even something uniquely suited to their family dynamics, like a book for an only child or one that celebrates diversity. So, as creators, keeping these considerations in mind allows us to craft stories that resonate not only with children, but also with the parents making the purchases. So, by addressing these needs thoughtfully, your book becomes a perfect choice for both parent and child. Whether you are an experienced storyteller or just starting out, crafting a best-selling children's book can be an exciting and rewarding experience. But where do you start? How do you go from a simple idea to a book that kids and their parents will adore? Don't worry, you're in the right place. The first step is for you to get to know your audience. Who are you writing for? The world of children's book is incredibly diverse and understanding your audience is key. So here's a breakdown. Board books are great for babies and toddlers. Picture books are perfect for kids aged 7 to 3 with lots of illustration and fewer words. Early reader books are great for ages 6 to 8, combining illustrations with easy to read text. Chapter books are perfect for kids aged 7 to 10 who are ready for longer stories. Middle grade books are great for kids aged 8 to 12 with more complex plots and themes. You can take a trip to your local library or bookstore or even browse Amazon to see what's popular, what stands out, and what theme resonates with your chosen age group. The next step is to come up with your story idea. Don't overthink it at this stage. Start by asking yourself some questions. What's a lesson or message you want to share? What kind of characters would kids love to meet? Is there a unique twist you can bring to a classic theme? For example, instead of a typical bedtime story, what if your character is a cat who refuses to sleep or a dragon who learns how to cook? Kids love stories that are playful, imaginative, and packed with emotions. The trick is to keep it simple while also making it unforgettable. Create characters kids will love. Characters are the heart of every children's book. And here is the secret. Make your characters relatable. If kids can see themselves in your character, they will be hooked. Give them a challenge. What problem do they need to solve? If you're going with animals or fantasy creature, give them human traits that make them lovable and memorable. The next step is to write the story. This is where your creativity really shines. But writing for kids is a little different from writing for adults. You want to keep these tips in mind. Use simple language. Short sentences are your best friend. Get to the point. Kids have short attention spans, so make every word count. Make it interactive. Ask questions like, what do you think happens next? Remember, the spacing is also important. So if you're writing a picture book, aim for 500 to 1000 words spread across 32 pages. For early readers or chapter books, you can go longer. If you're writing a children's book, illustrations are everything. They bring your story to life and keep kids engaged. But here is the good news. You don't have to be an artist to create a beautifully illustrated book. You can hire an illustrator, and sites like Fiverr or Behance are great places to find talented illustrators. Be specific about what you want. If your story is whimsical, go for soft, dreamy illustrations. If it is action-packed, opt for bold and vibrant colors. Collaborating with an illustrator can be a lot of fun. Plus, they will often bring new ideas to the table that makes your story even better. The next step is to polish your story. Once your story is written and the illustrations are coming together, then it is time to polish things up. Start by reading your manuscript out loud. Does the story flow smoothly? Does the dialogue sound natural? Get feedbacks by sharing your books with kids in your target age group or parents or even a professional editor. Pay attention to their reactions. If the kids are laughing or asking questions, then know that you're on the right track. Now that your book is ready, it's time to decide how to publish it. And you have two main options. The traditional publishing, this involves submitting your manuscript to a publishing house. If they accept it, then they will handle everything from editing to marketing. And the pros with going with a traditional publishing is this. There's no upfront cost, and you have a team supporting you. The cons are, it can be competitive, and you will need to follow their timeline. But with platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can publish your book yourself. And the pros is this. You have full creative control and a faster publishing. The con is you will need to handle the marketing yourself. Now that you've written your book and it is published, comes the next big challenge, getting it into the hands of readers. Here are some ideas to get you started. Share sneak peeks of your illustration or fun facts about your story on social media platforms. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest work especially well for visual content. Partner with bloggers, teachers, or parenting influencers to spread the word. And don't forget to ask for reviews. Positive reviews on Amazon or Goodreads can make a huge difference. If your book is well received, think about what next. Could you turn it into series? You might even translate your book into other languages to reach a global audience. The possibilities are endless once you've built a connection with your readers. Writing children's book is more than just telling a story. It's about creating something magical that stays with kids for years to come. So whether it's a bedtime favorite or a classroom hit, your book has the potential to inspire, entertain, and teach. You are now equipped with the tools and insights to create your very own best-selling children's book. So whether it's crafting an unforgettable story, designing captivating characters, or choosing the perfect publishing path, you are one step closer to making your dreams a reality. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't keep the inspiration to yourself. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow aspiring authors, and let me know in the comment what your children's book idea is. I really love to hear about it. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips, tutorials, and creative content to help you on your writing journey. Hit that notification bell so you never miss any update. And thanks once again, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.